Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In our previous lesson we learned al-mansubat, accusative nouns, and today we are going to learn al-majrurat, genitive nouns inshallah. Al-majrurat are the nouns that are marked by a kasra for mufrad, singular, and jam'u taksir, broken plural, or jam'ul muannath salim, sound feminine plural. Example: talibin for singular, tullabin jam'u taksir, broken plural, and talibatin for jam'ul muannath salim, sound feminine plural. They can also be marked by fatha for mamnu' min as-sarfi, the unnonated noun. Fi Misra, it was supposed to be Fi Misri, but these nouns do not take kasra at all, and instead of kasra they take fatha. They can also get ya nun for muthanna, ya with sukun and nun with kasra. Kitabaini, talibaini. And they get ya with kasra and nun with fatha. Ya nun for jamul mudhakkar salim, sound masculine plural. Mudarrisina and muslimina. Now let's learn what makes the noun genitive case. First one, huruful jar, prepositions or particles of genitive case. Huruful jar are the particles that appear before nouns. The nouns that preceded by these particles are called majroor because they end with kasra. Some prepositions are fi, in or at, ila, to, min, from, an, about, ala, on, bi, with, and li, for. Examples: أذهب إلى المدرسة, I am going to school. The word after إلى takes kasra, المدرسة. زيد في البيت, Zaid is at home or Zaid is in the house. نمت حتى الفجر, I slept until dawn, until fajr. الكتاب على المكتب, the book is on the desk. As we see, all the nouns after prepositions get kasra. The second one is al-idafa, possessive case or construction. Idafa construction is a construction of two nouns that the second noun possesses or owns the first noun. The first noun which is owned or possessed is called mudaf, and the second noun which is possessor or owner is called mudafun ilayh. Examples: sayyaratul mudiri jamilatun. The first word will be possessed or mudaf, and the second word will be possessor or mudafun ilayh. The second word gets kasra. The first word can get any three haraka, dhamma, fatha or kasra, depends where you use in the sentence. The principal's car is beautiful. Sayyaratul mudiri jamila. Second example, kitabut talibi jadidun. Kitabu mudaf and at-talibi mudafun ilayh. The student's book is new. رأيت مدير المدرسة, I saw the principal of the school. ذهبت إلى بيت خالد أمس, I went to Khalid's house yesterday. Nouns also get kasra after the following words and adverbs. They are also considered as mudafun ilayh. جاء بعض الطلاب, Some of the students came. بعض طلاب get كسرة after بعض as well. جميع الطلاب هنا. All the students are here. نصلي كل يوم. We pray every day. Even the words after كل gets كسرة. اليوم يوم الأحد. Today is Sunday. When we mention days of the week with يوم, the days get كسرة at the end. سأسافر مساء يوم الجمعة. I will travel Friday evening. The word after مساء got كسرة here if you use in this context. البيت أمام المسجد. The house is in front of the masjid. الكرة تحت المكتب. The ball is under the desk. أستيقظ قبل or عند or بعد الفجر. I wake up before or at or after Fajr. After all these words, the noun gets كسرة. الكتاب داخل الحقيبة. The book is inside the bag. Inside, outside also makes the noun كسرة. يذهب مع والده. He is going with his father. الجامعة غرب المدينة. The university is west of the city. In the west of the city. غرب, شرق, شمال, جنوب also makes كسرة. حضر كلا الطالبين. Both students came. كلا and كلتا for female also makes كسرة. هذا الرجل ذو مال. This man is possessor of wealth. ذو also makes كسرة. قراءة الكتب مفيدة. Reading of books is useful. If the verbs comes in the form of verbal nouns, they also change the following word to كسرة. قراءة الكتب. Reading books. If the possessor مضاف إليه is dual, مثنى or sound masculine plural, جمع مذكر سالم, the letter alif and waw must change to ya. Examples: الطالبان ألف نون, مثنى changes to كتب الطالبين. الطالبين becomes ya نون. الطالبان becomes الطالبين. Two students' books are new. المعلمون becomes غرفة المعلمين when they are مضاف إليه. Teacher's room or staff room is open. غرفة المعلمين مفتوحة. The third one, التابع لاسم مجرور, the noun that follows the genitive noun. First one will be الصفة or نعت. أسكن في بيت كبير. I stay in a big house. في بيت كبير both takes كسرة in the case of adjective. Or العطف, the conjunction سلمت على محمد وعلي وخالد. I greeted Muhammad, Ali and Khalid. All the nouns gets كسرة after على, the preposition. Please note that some proper nouns do not take كسرة and تنوين. Instead of كسرة they get فتحة. بيت عمر بعيد. Omar's house is far. It was supposed to be عمري, but these nouns do not accept كسرة at all. كتاب فاطمة جديد. Fatima's book is new. سلمت على أحمد ويوسف وعائشة ومريم. I greeted on Ahmed, Yusuf, Aisha and Maryam. And the last example, سافرت قبل سنة إلى مصر ومكة. I traveled last year to Egypt and Mecca. And that's all today. See you next session inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.